Hi everyone, welcome to DataScene. In this video, we will create a to-do list together, and in the description of this video, you'll be able to reach the document and you can customize it according to your own decisions. And for creating my to-do list in this table, first of all, I like to start with inserting the checkbox in my table. And for doing this, I am selecting my cell range first and then clicking the insert section and then clicking the checkbox. And as you can see here, all the checkboxes were inserted in my table. And when I click here, as you can see here, here's a false. And when I click the inside of the area, you will see the true. So we will use this actually features. And now I like to fill the calculation areas, which are completed section, progressing section, and status percentage. And for this, we will actually use two formulas, and these are COUNTIF and COUNTA function. The COUNTIF formula actually help us to find how many cells we have in the specified cell range according to the criteria we define. And COUNTA function show us how many non-empty cells we have in the cell range we select. So we will use a COUNTIF function for completed and progressing section, and we will also use a COUNTA function for the status percentage. So let's apply the COUNTIF function in this area. So for doing this, I'm typing the equal sign and then clicking the COUNTIF, typing the COUNTIF, and now I am clicking here. And as you can see here is a range section, so I'm choosing my range, which is all the areas, and then clicking the comma button, and then the formula wants me to define the criteria. So since I like to see all the completed, which is completed actually, the completed numbers, I'm typing here true. Because when we complete the any section, it's going to be the true, and then I'm closing the parentheses. And as you can see here, it looks 0 now, but when I keep filling the areas, it's going to be increasing. And also I will apply the same formula here, and I'm typing here, I'm copying this, not exactly like this, oops, yep, I'm coming here and then pasting the same formula here, but I'm changing one section which is true and false, because I'm changing this as a false because I like to see the false areas, and then clicking to enter. And as you can see here, the 11 points are not completed, but when I click here, it's going to be decreasing and the completing section will be increasing. And the last section is the status percentage, and for this since it's a percentage and I like to see which is completed, this is gonna be like a dividing range. So for this, I'm typing the equal sign, then I'm typing this area, and this area will be divided by here. But for making, I can also type here the 14, but I like to do it more dynamically, and that's why I'm using the COUNTA function. So I'm clicking the COUNTA and then choosing my range. And you will see the status percentage. And when I increasing this is gonna be changed. And on the last section, I like to see the loading bar here. And for this, I am actually using the conditional formatting, which you will see the home section and conditional formatting here. And I will add the data bars and which is maybe more rules I can change. Yes, and I'm clicking the type as a number, and the minimum value will be 0 and the maximum value will be 1. And for the positive values I can also change here. Maybe I can make a little bit lighter, and the borders might be solid, and also make it a little bit maybe dark blue. And as you can see here, you will see the loading bar in this status percentage area, and it also will be changed according to which one you completed or not, when you change the status actually. So this template is done, and I hope this video will help you to define or creating more to-do lists like this. See you in next video.